Welcome to the next instalment of Lucas Jet Circus tutorials. Like, subscribe, share the video. You can purchase flower sticks below. I wouldn't say it's an advanced tutorial, this is still beginner moves, but we're going to introduce you to the way to do proper flower sticks now. Now, embarrassingly, I don't actually know the name of the move we're going to learn now, but it's a fundamental move in flower sticks. I'm going to call this move tick-tock. This is what you're aiming for. These are your control sticks, this is your flower stick. You're aiming to hit this part of the flower stick with your control stick. One way we can learn to do this is by starting holding your hand like this. So the flower stick is in front of the control stick. You hold your thumb over the top, hold your other hand over here, and you're going to throw it across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, stop. The more common way to learn to do tick-tock is by starting on the floor. The more comfortable you are at this stage, the more likely you're going to be in control when you pick it up. These sticks are really grippy, so they stick to one another. Slowly back and forwards. When you feel confident, you try and pick it up. There are two methods for learning tick-tock. There's the one I've just shown you with the tap, tap, tap with your hands. There's also traps. You trap, 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 trap. So you're trapping it at the bottom of the stick and you're trapping it at the top of the stick. And then you're switching your hand position each time. A nice way I've seen this taught is by positioning the sticks one underneath, one on top. So you go flick, stop, As you get more confident, you do it a bit faster until you're doing it correctly without hitting the floor. Does that help? Once you've got your tick-tock under control, you can try learning under the leg or behind the back. When trying to do under the leg, don't overthink it. So as you flick it, immediately start the process of lifting your leg. So flip, lift, catch. It's one of those things, it's about finding the rhythm. When you get a little bit more confident with your tick-tock, you could try and do a half rotation more. So you go flip, 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 flip. A lot of that extra spin comes from a flick of the wrist. You could try doing the tick-tock in a circle. I think we used to call it stirring pop. So you go tick-tock, and then you start stirring it into a circle. Then you're getting close to doing like a helicopter move. Maybe we're creeping into an advanced tutorial now, so we'll save the instructions for another video. That brings us to the end of this beginner, sort of intermediate flower stick tutorial. I hope you've enjoyed it, hope it gives you a little bit of a challenge. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.